Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to freeze your Revolut virtual card. So obviously first you're going to want to type in Revolut into Google, go ahead and click on the website and it's going to lead you here. Make sure that you're actually selecting where you live as it matters very heavily. So obviously I live in the United States, but if you lived in the United Kingdom, you would click this, and any other country, you would click that. So I live in the US, so I'm going to go ahead and click that and then hit log in. So what this is going to lead you to is a pop-up page where it's going to ask you to scan the QR code on your phone, as Revolut is mainly a phone app. So go ahead and scan it and then type in your password and it'll lead you into your account. So I'm assuming since you already have the virtual card, you already have access to your account. What you're going to want to do is find yourself into the card section. Now keep in mind, there's a lot of issues regarding this sort of stuff. So watch till the end of the video. I'll go over all of the issues that I've ran into and how to fix them. So as you can see, this is my virtual card. Go ahead and click that. And then here you're able to freeze your account. Now going into some of the issues that I was talking about, all you need to do to undo this is hit the unfreeze again. But there are some things you want to keep in mind. Freezing, right, does not equal deleting. Okay, it is not the same thing. Don't treat it like the same thing. Freezing only temporarily disables the card. It doesn't cancel or remove it from your account. So keep that in mind. Subscriptions that you're on using the virtual card that you have, such as Spotify, such as Netflix or bills, these will all fail because of this frozen card. So if you're reliant on this virtual card, keep this in mind as it's very important. Now, the uses for this freeze option would be if you suspect fraud on your card, if you lose access to your phone, or if you're done shopping and you basically don't even want to think about this card anymore. These are some of the 3 reasons that I personally use this freeze feature. And also, there are no fees for freezing the card. So some other bank accounts, sometimes they charge you a fee if you want to freeze it, but this one's feeless, so you don't have to worry about being charged extra. If this was helpful or insightful, consider subscribing, and I hope you guys have a good one.